So the great Liverpool Football Club, we are clear at the top of the league for the start of the new year. And as Liverpool fans, right now, we have no fear. But as our erudite coach, Jurgen Klopp, puts it, the EPL title is not won at the end of December or the start of January. Whole heap of twists and turns are left in the season. There are still 54 points worth of games to be played. And Manchester City are still the overwhelming favorites to defend their title. But I tell you this, we love where Liverpool are right now in terms of getting results and having points on the board commensurate with how the team is playing. We could not ask for more. It is still an improving team, still a work in progress, and a team that is yet to play our best football this season. And as for this so-called big game coming up on Thursday against Manchester City, it's a big game for Man City to keep the league alive. There is less pressure on Liverpool, so we can keep our calm and keep our cool. But when you watch the trajectory of the two teams, the direction they are moving relative to each other, all Liverpool needs to do is what we've been doing all season. That is not lose. But let me say this. If we go round at the Etihad and beat Manchester City, it's done. Done. But we can talk about something else. Yes. Happy New Year, Jamaica. All the best for 2019. Whether you're orange or you're green. Take good mind off of Liverpool. And whether or not, we will be the champion team. Happy New Year, Jamaica. Happy New Year.